I am back with my 8th day with Louis Vuitton. So I'm so excited with this item, guys. That's because I think my advent calendar, a Louis Vuitton Advent Calendar, wouldn't be complete without this particular item. And it is no other than it's in this packaging. And let me open this item. It is no other than a Louis Vuitton fragrance. And what we have here, it is the Étoile Filante. And it is a travel spray, Eau de Perfume. And so let me open this one right here. And this is the spray. This is their packaging. Look at that. The packaging is actually cute with this gold logo right there. And yes, we have the travel spray. And this one, I mean, I know that on the website they actually show spray that didn't come in with this actual spray, but only the refill. So I purchased the one that has the spray itself. And right here, this is the spray right here. This one is actually, this one is magnetic. The closure for this is magnetic. And I love the combination of colors. It is gold and black right here. And then all you have to do is just pull this one, twist it, and then pull the refill inside. So yeah, I have actually used this since it was released. I think it was this year, and I love it. So I used to have Samsung, and totally I replaced that with this. So pretty much like I will be using this like in forever, because this one smells so good right here. And here are some of the items. Actually came in with 4 spray refills, guys. So this particular set is priced around $265 US. That's before tax. And we have 1, 2, 3. I have already thrown the other one because I have already used it. And this one has, each of these has around 7.5 ml. Yeah, it has 7.5 ml in it right here. So this is how much in there. So this is the travel spray. And if you just wanted to buy the refill, yeah, this one has 4 inside. I have already used it. As you guys can see, I use it quite a lot. So I have already finished 4 and then 5 already. So that's pretty much how I love this scent. So I'm gonna put the keynote scent of this Étoile Filante right here. In fact, I also purchased this. This is the refill. So the refill is around $110 US. That's before tax. Right here, this is the product code. There were 4 by 7.5 ml. This is the Étoile Filante. I haven't really opened this. That's because I still have some, but I just really want to make it sure that I have one with me, because I'm not sure if this one is still available on the website, but they always sold out. They always sold out with this fragrance. And now I'm going to try the Imagination. So I haven't really opened this Imagination one. That's because she actually gave me samples. She gave me at least more than 5. And also, this one is also smells so good. But nothing compares the Étoile Filante, guys. Nothing compared to this. It was still my all-time favorite. And also this one is available in 100 ml and also with 200 ml as well. And those are the ones that you could actually refill. So as soon as you finished the entire bottle, so you could just go to the store, in any Louis Vuitton store, and they will replenish it for you. But you still have to pay, okay? But in a much affordable price though. So yeah, this one, as soon as you finish with this, you cannot really refill it. You cannot. So as soon as you're done, you can toss it. But the only thing that I love about this spray is that you could easily slip it in your purse. It is so easy to use. You could just take this one out and actually add another one of your favorite fragrance. That's it. It's just so easy. You can slip it in your purse, and like when you're running errands, you're so busy, you don't need to like, oh, I need my perfume here and there. Oh, but if you have the bottle, the 100 ml, and also with 200, that's actually such a, yeah, it wouldn't fit in your purse apparently, but you can get a sample as well. That would work as well. But this one, it is so easy when you travel. It is so easy, like you could just use this spray when you're already in your car, or it could be like when you're already somewhere, you could just spray it again. But with the bottle, it is a little bit like hard to do that. So you have, unless if you have it one in your car and also you have the one at home. But this one is easy and convenient. So that's what I like about this perfume spray. And right now, I think they're selling out so fast. I mean, all the fragrance, I guess, I was checking the website. There's not much of a refill though. I don't know, for some reason. But because it is holiday, Christmas is just around the corner, so I think this is a perfect gift. But you cannot give a gift, okay? So you cannot give this as a gift, this by itself. You have to have a spray, okay? Because if you're just gonna give this as a gift right here, as you guys could see, yeah, you have, this one is actually exclusive for Louis Vuitton. So if you don't have a spray from Louis Vuitton, it's not gonna work. You have to probably end up breaking the bottle if you don't have it. So this is just exclusive for them, and you gotta have to have the spray right here, this pump right here, for you to be able to use it. This is by itself, it's not gonna work, but you could buy this set right here. And at the same time, you could also include the refill as well. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.